Is Carnival Cruise Line a goodbye in 2021? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is Super Swing Trader. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks. With that being said, let's take a look at Carnival Cruise Lines. So this chart is a semi-higher time frame chart. Every candle represents 1 week of time. So we have a large drop ever since around this time last year. This is the COVID happening. So COVID happened, a lot of people invested in it. COVID happened and it did this big drop. Now we are interested in going long just because price seems like it's making higher highs, and so you can draw a trend line, and there's lots of room before it hits supply again, at least up here. So has lots of room before it reaches up here, but price could even go up even more. It could go up at least back to all-time highs, or at least back to the start of this drop. So we have lots of room to move up. Of course, it can go sideways for a while, but since it broke this high, there's nothing else, no other obstacle to prevent it from going higher. And this is all, I was long down here already, and I bought some additional shares as it came up, but I'll be looking to add to my position or just hold my position. There's still lots of room to make some money in the markets. Just remember, I'm not your financial advisor, so make your own decision and do your own research. Okay, so we have a level of demand right here that played out very nicely. Price dropped down here and it rallied, but long term it's only going to go up. Only gonna go up until there. All right, so this is the analysis for Carnival Cruise. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click on that bell so you get notified on new videos I release in the future. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. As always, I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.